Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if it's not, thank you so much for your support in coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a thrift store haul. I found some pretty interesting items that I will probably be able to use for Easter. And I just want to share these beautiful treasures with you. So let's get started. I found these two beautiful candle holders. I paid $3.99 for both of these candle holders. They are gold, but they're painted. They're solid wood, so bonus. I love to find wood items. It's always a win situation. So these are definitely a nice item that I'm probably going to use for multiple decor. Two beautiful wooden bowls. These are like kind of an oval shape and they have a lot of details to them. And I paid $5.99 for both of these bowls, but they are gorgeous. So these I will definitely be using for sure. Gorgeous they are. A little bit more damage on this side, but that's okay. I found this beautiful little guy. I paid $3.99 for it, which is a bit much, I think, but I went all over town to try to find some little bunny figurines and I'm not having much luck, so I picked this guy up. I found these beautiful, they look like little benches. I think that's what they are. I got 4 of these for $4.99. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm sure I will come up with an idea. This is really cute for spring and summer decor. So I'll try to integrate this somewhere in my home. I found this beautiful teapot. It is gorgeous. The handle on it is bamboo. That is so pretty. I bought this for a friend of mine. She is decorating her kitchen in this blue color. So I picked this up for her. My friend, I think you know who you are. If you do, comment down below, let me know that you saw this and you know that it's yours, because you know who you are. This beautiful little wooden, what do you call that? I'm not sure. On the way home, it came apart. I think it was just not glued together very well, but that's a very, very easy fix. I paid $1.99 for this beautiful wood. Looks like a trophy holder of some sort for me, but anyways, this is so cute and I'm picturing a nice Easter egg inside of this. This is gorgeous. I found this beautiful measuring cup. This will be perfect for my upcoming farmhouse decor that I'm going to do either this summer or this fall. I'm unsure yet. I'm gonna go through Easter first and then decide. I paid $6.99 for this one, but I couldn't resist it, so this is gorgeous. Look at this beautiful piece. I'm thinking this is like a letter holder. That's what it looks like, documents holder or some sort. I'm thinking just as is or whitewash. I'm not sure yet, but how beautiful would it be with some beautiful white plates in it, larger and smaller plates, and set on the counter as a decor. That would be beautiful. Found this little bag. I paid $3.99 and I'm going to open it with you guys. I was pretty excited to find this bag. Look at these little egg holder. How sweet are they? This is perfect for Easter time. Put a little egg in it, decorative eggs. This is all solid wood. They are absolutely gorgeous. 4 of these. I think this is a little egg cooker of some sort. If you know how this works, let me know, because I haven't used one of these and I have no clue. Maybe it's just to put your egg in the fridge once it's cooked, or I don't know. Just let me know what this is for. Two beautiful wooden candle holders. $2.99 I paid for these. They are perfect. I'm probably going to use them. These are the perfect size, like for a tier tray. And I'm thinking this would be so cute with little bird nests on top. You know, like even some eggs on top of it or something. This is just the perfect size for a small area, or if you just need to add a little something to finish your decor. It's nice also to put the 2 of them together and maybe elevate one of them with something else. That's cute as well. I have another little bag. I'm gonna open this with you and show you. I was excited about this bag. I paid $3.99 as well, and I'm gonna show you what's in it. This is a bottle opener. I won't be using this, I'll donate that. Look at these beautiful little plate, something. I don't know what they are. They look like tiny, tiny little plates to me. And I have 4 of these. They are all solid wood. And how perfect would they be on top of a candle holder to be able to put a larger candle or something. This is perfect when you're doing DIYs and you need some sort of a topper on top of something, or you can simply use it just like that with a candle on it as well for simplicity. But I thought they were so cute. And these also came in the bag. I have 6 of these ones. They are super cute. And I thought these would be a perfect base to make some little bird nest and some little eggs for Easter time. And then again, these can easily go on top of candlesticks to beautify your decor. So this is another idea, but it definitely might use some of these with some of that faux grass or whatever. Make it look like a bird nest, filleted inside. I think this is perfect. So we've got 6 of these and 4 of these for $3.99. This is a score. I was excited about this item. I always get a little excited about canister. I have something about canister set. So these are gorgeous. These are all solid wood. Look at these beauties. I paid $9.99 for the 3 full piece set with the covers. So that's called a 6-piece, but anyways. And on the front here, it says tea. And on the other side, it says, I don't know if you can see it. It says in French, it's a little bit worn out, but this is all solid wood, so it's very easy to beautify. And on the inside, I really like it because it got this plastic container that you can remove for wash. So this is perfect because if you want to paint the inside of this canister, well, there's no worries, you can, because it will still remain food safe with these containers. So I'm definitely going to beautify these pieces for sure. And like I said, it comes in 3 pieces. I have the tea, cafe. On the other side, it says coffee. and sucre, sugar. So these will be beautiful once they're done. I found this beauty. This is absolutely gorgeous, and I will not be modifying this. It is gorgeous. Just the way it is. I paid $7 for it. I find our thrift store here is a little bit expensive, but I do find some pretty unique piece, so I don't mind paying a little bit more. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's grayish with a tint of a greenish color to it. It's gorgeous, and look at this beautiful plaque up front. Lynx de Pologne. Extort intal d'aviculture, prix d'honneur. Ma belle Linda, qui est en France, je suis sûre que tu aimes cette pièce. So my friend Linda is in France, and I'm sure she's going to love this piece. And last but not least, I got the looks when I grabbed this piece at the thrift store. Some people was questioning my taste, and that's okay. I absolutely love it. I got really excited when I found this piece, and look at this bunny. Okay, so this is all ceramic, and it's got the little ends too. And the most ugly clothing. Don't worry about it. I'm not even sure I'm gonna keep any of this. I might just do a project with just the top part, which was my original idea. But that being said, the more I look at it, the more I think he's super cute. So I'm thinking with the perfect touch of paint to this fella. He's a little stainy and dirty. Update the color and shadow it a little bit, and then maybe keep the body and have the perfect clothing for it. Might be okay too. Stay tuned to see what I decide to do with this, I'm gonna say girl. Well, that's it for this thrift store haul. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I want to know which one of these items that I picked up you think is the best buy or is your favorite. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. This really helps me grow on my channel and lets YouTube know that you like what I'm doing, and then they promote me. And if you like what you've seen, well, it's a perfect time today to hit that subscribe button and join my members of Nancy's Magic Touch. So on that note, guys, I wish you guys a wonderful day.